Never pay a video editor to edit your video for you until you have watched this tutorial video. This is exactly how you can use the Inshot app for free to edit your videos, to caption your video without any watermark. If you are a beginner and your goal is to edit your videos all by yourself, as a beginner, you can use the Inshot app, and this is exactly how to do that. Download the Inshot app from your Play Store and then open the Inshot app. Make sure you recorded the video you want to use with good lighting, or you actually want to use a faceless video and you want to edit it with Inshot. Open the Inshot app as you have seen me do now. You are going to have three options there. Number one, you have the option of video, photo, and collage. If what you want to make is a collage, then you click on collage. If you want to make a photo edit, you can click on photo. If you want to do video like what we want to do now, click on video. Once I do that, the first thing that is going to come up is the videos you have edited before. If you have not done anyone, you are going to see there that you have not done anyone all before. Next, you are going to import your video. In this case, I have some videos here before. I just clicked on the video that I had before now, and I want to add a new video. So I'm going to click on the plus sign. I have blank and photo. I'm going to pick photo or video, and now the photo has already started loading. The video has already started loading. This is the video I want to edit. The video was recorded with a good lighting, and then I have in there the video is already working right in there. So you can allow the video to just play a little and see that the exact video you wanted to import is what you have imported. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can trim. The first step, how you can trim a video. So you listen to your video, you have all these features that are there. You can see the split button there. So if you get to a particular point when you want to split, you play the video, make sure the volume is up. Then there and then you just click the split. You can then split. The next thing is that you can actually add effects. You want to make that video to be bright, go to the effects and then select adjust some of the things there, contrast, warmth. Then you make it tint. You are going to see that this video is going to be more colorful now. You see that the video is going to come out with a good contrast. You're going to increase the contrast, increase saturation. You see there. Then click on that mark button and say done. The next thing again you can look at, you can make some hair effects or other things using that too. So right now I'm going to show you this video now. See that the video was now looking brighter, or is now looking better than what we saw when we started. Look at it now. It's now looking brighter. So you can actually go to the other effects. You see line, clone, binge, glow, dizzy, do. Several effects are there on Inshot. Inshot is actually very free. The only part of Inshot that is paid is if you actually want to do captioning for long videos. But with short videos less than 1 minute, you can do captioning for free on Inshot, completely free. So you can pick any of these options if you want. Now another thing again that is paid are the different types of effects. So if you want the effect that is actually paid, then you may need to make payment. But without that, you can actually do all these effects that are not paid. So right now I'm going to pick the basic effect that is there, that is just free, and I'm going to show you one of the effects. You see that video has some jump in and jump out. So I'm going to pick the effect that actually fits what I want to do. So watch now and see what is going to happen. Please make sure you're watching this video. Make sure you like this video and drop your questions in the comments. This is how I'm going to know that you actually watch this video. So right now I'm trying to use the beats option that I want to do there, and I'm trying to just adjust it. You're going to see the way it's going to be doing, bringing lightnings on that video, but that is not what I want. I'm just showing you that you can adjust to your taste. You can see the theme options there. When I started editing, I used those theme options that will actually catch their attention. Don't forget that the best time you can get the attention of the people that are watching your videos is the first 3 seconds. Once you lose them in the first 3 seconds, they may not be able to go through. And every social media prioritizes watch time. So you must make sure you get their attention down. You can also use different options you can use different options that I'm doing now. So right now, what I want to do, I'm picking the option now. I want to make that video to show 4 people, and that's the effect option I'm picking. I want 4 people to show just after 3 seconds or before 3 seconds, so that people's attention will be glued and say, oh, what kind of effect is this? And now I've used this effect for a long time. Those that have been watching my video will see it in one of my old videos more than 1 year ago. So what I want to do now is just to pick another one, and then I can duplicate it. You see, if you drag it to the other side, you see you can duplicate it. So it's just a basic option of what you want to do. You can actually increase the value using the arrow there, and then you can adjust it. You can see I'm trying to duplicate it now. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to duplicate it, and then still the video. I know the video I recorded, and you will see that video on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook post. You can see the process, after I've edited it and how it actually looked and how it came out. Now, this may not be the best options for you if you want to do very, very professional video, but as a beginner, Inshot is just good for you. And if you know this, you can always move. The best energy you need is how you're going to start. Make sure you start somewhere and start editing your video. Now, the quality of the video will come out if you actually have a very good lighting and balance of context at your background. You must make sure you have a good contrast at your background. So I'm still playing around with the effect here on this video, and as you can see, I'm trying to look at, I want to zoom it out, zoom it in, zoom it out, zoom it in, because the point I'm making there is actually very, very germane. So I want people to be caught. I want their attention to be caught by zooming out and zooming in. So that's what I'm doing. I want to also change it. You see, finally, I'm going to change it to about 9 effect, showing 9 people at the same time. So you see, I'm trying to play it now to see that, okay, I can actually play it out and see, listen to it very well and see what goes on in that video. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So you see now I'm trying to move it down, and then I'll move it again. I'm going to move it again. So what I want to do is to show you how you can crop. You can actually cut out any part that you don't like in the video. So that's what I want to do now. You just go to that option where you crop on the menu. You then be able to crop it out. Let's say you have something bad you don't want to show. But if it is watermark, then you may need to use stickers to cover the watermark. So right now, this is what I'm trying to do. The effect is already showing on the video, and then I don't like some of the effects, so I'm going to delete them and remove them after. Now, don't forget that this video is already showing captioning. I'm going to show you how to do captioning on this video for free. This video is a very long video, so I did the captioning twice. I did one part of the video, and then I did another one. Now I'm taking you to how you can work on the music. You can actually have several sound effects. You can add your own sound as well. You can also record your voiceover. Look at it now. Yes, you can record your voiceover to your video. Like what I'm doing now, I'm recording the voiceover to this video where I did screenplay already, and I'm going to add it in on that video. So that's what will make you to see it. So now the next thing is for you to go to the stickers. As you've seen me, I'm going to pick it right now, and then say if I want to pick that DeepSeek sticker, I'll put it there, and then I want it to be on my video. I will now go to stretch it to wherever it is. I'm using the sticker apps, so I'll look at the position where it is consistently and exactly, so I can move it. You see me adjusting it now, adjusting it. I want it to just show briefly. You can see you can adjust it briefly. You can drag it to wherever you want. You can see I'm trying to adjust it to just adjust very, very briefly. You can clip it to the end and to the beginning of the video, and then you can also use that option of the text to do captioning. So you can see now I'm trying to duplicate it. I want it to appear at some multiple points. So that's what I want to do now. It will appear at multiple points, and then on the video it's going to come up again. You can actually use this option to be able to make call to action, follow, and then you can also use it to make subscribe button. You can use all these stickers. Now, DeepSeek app, how did I get this sticker? I downloaded it online, and then I put it up here using that plus sign on the sticker effect. So I just added it. That's why I don't need to go and bring it from my gallery again, because I've added it already. So you can add it from your gallery. So now I want to take you to another effect of what you can do with Inshot. So with Inshot now, you can see on this video, I want to actually bring in another video on this already made video. You can see now in this case, I want to use a PIP. This is picture in picture. This picture in picture, you can actually bring it there. Let's say you just want to have a video that does not have voice, and then you want to have another one that has voice layered on it. We call it picture in picture. So you can use that picture in picture format. You can use picture in picture format. So you can change the background. You can also use background. Look at the background option. You can make the background to have no background. This is different from removing the background of your image. This one is just the background layered around the original image. You can see it's showing my brand color orange around it, and I can also increase the speed of the video. If I want the video to be very fast, I can increase the speed. That's the speed beside the background. I just clicked on it, and then I want it to be a little bit faster. There's some videos that just come so far and said, hello, how are you doing today, and all of that. People speak so fast. It may not be that they spoke so fast while they were trying to record, but they actually spoke so fast because they edited it with the speed. So right now, let's look at some of the effects again. Animations. This animation button can actually help you to do some justice to some catch-ups. You want people's attention to be on a video, you can use the animation, those ones that work just efficiently for you. So look at other options. You can do masking. You can mask the video if you want it to roll about a particular point. That is very good for cinematography editing. So the next thing is opacity. You can actually, opacity is like how bright or blur you want it to be. You can actually make a video at the background and make another one on top by putting the one at the background opaque. Now another thing again you can do is to actually go to the option where I'm trying to show you additional voices. You can change the voice to voice of something like a lion speaking or other thing. Just go to voice effect. You'll be able to change the voice or even your own voice to a special voice effect. It's going to change the effect of your voice. So right now I'm trying to listen to that video again to see what has happened to the video, and is it coming up? Is it doing well? Is it saying what I want it to say? And I'm going to show you these are the options that I still have left. Now I'm going to work on this video again now and go to the text. I want to write the text, so I can write text. I can go to caption. Now this caption now, because this video is already more than 1 minute, it will not work. The captioning will not work. But if I cut it now and go to it, I cut it and I made it less than 1 minute, the captioning will work. You'll see how I'm going to do the captioning, and now I'm going to edit the captioning very soon now. I'm going to edit the captioning very soon. So, but now let me just show you how to adjust effect again. I'm trying to show you how to adjust some of the effect again before I bring in a new video. So I'm going to bring in a new video very soon now, and then make sure that the two videos have the same type of text. I mean, something that looks similar to what I have before. If you look at the caption that I used before, you see a yellow background, but my brand captions are always looking orange, particularly when I shoot with this type of custom cloth that I use for shooting my videos. So you're going to see right now, I'm trying to play it again to see that it matches my taste. Video editing can take so much time. Now let me tell you that this place where the DeepSeek is showing, that's exactly where you can put your stickers. Now the next thing again is to show you canvas. I need to explain to you that videos can be 9:16 like TikTok videos, or 16:9 like YouTube videos. The canvas option is the first menu you are going to see when you click on Inshot. So you can actually adjust it. You can adjust the canvas to bring it in and out. See the different options. So if you are shooting for Instagram, you can actually convert it to an Instagram size. You can see I'm trying to adjust it in and out, adjust in and out. You can do it. If I adjust it in, it will show me that background that I just picked. But for Canva, I mean for Inshot will not allow you to change background. Here you cannot remove background completely. You may need to use apps like CapCut before you can remove apps. So now the next thing again is that I want to show you how I can export. Exporting should be in different dimensions. The best way is to export with 30 fps and your resolution of 1080. You can actually export also in 2K, which is the best. You can see here, I've tried to export this video. I'm going to export it out now. they are showing me their ad. This is what makes it free. When people put ad on it, that's what is making us to access it free. So don't let me bore you so much with how the video is going to convert. It's going to take some time depending on the length of the video. It's a very long video. You may need to put your phone down. Do not close the app. Put it down for some minutes. Walk away and do some other things while the video is editing, while the video is converting by itself. Let me say at this point that you need to be patient if you are trying to create video, and don't forget that you must be consistent. So if you must be a consistent content creator, these apps must be at your beck and call. And let me let you know that when you do it regularly, you also have some intros and outros that you can use. That is, some videos used to introduce yourself, your videos used to call people to action. For every video, you must call them to action. Now, this video has finished exporting. So the next thing again is that I want to duplicate what I've done because I still need this video to show you something. So I'm going to open it now. I'm going to open it. I will duplicate it. You can click on that button just before you come in to duplicate it. So duplicating it means copying it. I'm playing this video again now. So just hold on. I'm going to duplicate it right now. I'm going to duplicate it. Just go back as if you want to open the app afresh. Go to the drafts and then this is draft. Okay, now look at it now. These three buttons, click on that three buttons. Click on that three buttons. You'll be able to duplicate. You'll be able to duplicate it. So what I want to do is that I want to now work on a fresh one that does not have any caption. A fresh version of this video that does not have any caption. And this fresh version is way less than 1 minute. So I'm going to show you how I can do captioning with it. So I've just showed you the button now. Delete, copy. I will close this one back again. Yes, I'm going to close it back again. So now I'll choose the right one I want to use. Let me choose the right one I want to use now. So I don't want this draft again, so I'm deleting it. So I'm going to choose the right one I want to use now, because eventually I'm going to add those two videos together. When I started creating videos, what I used to do is to use a video merger to merge two videos together. But at this point in time, I don't need a video merger again. I just go directly to where I want to go, and that way I'll use the Inshot app or use the CapCut app. Those are the basic two apps that I use for my video editing. So right now, please make sure, okay, you look at it. So now I want to make captioning. So the other time you see it's not showing me free unlock. Now it's showing me free unlock. And then I click on start. Once you click on text, click on caption, and then you'll be able to now select it. Now it's going to give you an advert. An advert is going to play shortly. And then once the advert is done, it's going to auto generate it. So see now, that's auto generated it. Now the auto generation is working just like the other template I used before. I can always change it. So once you move your cursor to where it is, click on that thing, click on the pencil, and then I'm going to start editing it now. You can make it to be big, you can make it to be small, you can adjust it. You put your two hands on the red button and then on this arrow, you'll be able to expand it. Now, I can change the text background. Look at me now. I click on that AA that is there. That's where it is. Now, this is the border. The border is the line that shows on the color. I can change the border line. I can change the label. You can see the label itself is what I'm changing now. So the label is what is showing under it. The border is what is showing, that white that is showing with that with this orange. That is the borderline, is white, but I'm going to change it completely. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm going to see that all my videos all the text are showing directly on the screen. So I'm adjusting it. So I'll adjust it right now to see that it actually fits. Now it's not spelling chat GPT very well. So I'm going to click on the pencil when I click on that, when I click on the text, and then I'll be able to edit it. See, I'm editing chat GPT right now. This is one of the things that actually causes problem. If you notice, some people, they don't bother to actually change their caption. Why do you have to use captioning? Many times your video can reach out to people who cannot hear, people who can only see. They have hearing impairment. So for you to be able to reach out to those community of people, you need to actually caption your video. Sometimes people are also in a noisy place and they don't want to actually watch, or they don't want to actually listen, rather they want to actually watch, so they can watch your video. Now if you are posting online, on TikTok, on YouTube, some of them used to do auto captioning, but it's very important that you also do your captioning yourself, so that if the AI that is doing captioning there is not doing it very well, you will be able to do your own captioning just by yourself and very, very easily. So you see it now. Okay, so it's working now. It's working now. It's working very, very well now. So this is what we have done. We've learned captioning now. This is how to do captioning. It's last edit. I can click on it to actually change the style. I want to use the typewriter style, but let me show you this purple. So let me click on start. I want to regenerate it again. I'll regenerate it again. I want to regenerate another one so that it can fit that style. So look at it now. It has done to that purple one, but I'm still going to change it back to typewriter style. So now I'm doing it again. All the spellings are wrong again. So, but I'm going to take the pain of editing it just for you. Click on the pencil, then click on last edit. I'll be able to edit it now. Click on last edit. I'm going to edit it now. You see the A, you see that that place where you have a pie chart. Yes, click on it. Click on that pie chart. Click on the border, and then you'll be able to edit the color. Here I change it to my orange. I want the border to be adjusted. I can adjust the border color. I'm going to move that line. I can move it back and forth. The next one is label. That label is what is under it, like what is background under it. So you can actually make it to be something of your choice, but make sure your captions are good. And your caption should be around your neck. It should be around your neck, and towards your chest area. That is when your sticker should be. That's the best place, around your neck. Not too close to your mouth, but around your neck. If you are making a video that is actually showing your face, but you are making a video that is faceless video, make sure it's about the middle, because people will be holding their phones or their devices. That's where they'll be looking at it. But if you make it to go down too much, sometimes the way the UI UX of that app is may not even allow people to see it, and they may be struggling reading along with it. People that actually caption their videos are always more appreciated, and people tend to work with their videos more. So learn captioning and try to do captioning. There's one app called Captioned. The caption this time starts with letter K and then it has ED. In fact, let me tell you that when I started editing my videos, I had to pay for it. So right now I want to show you how you can actually use sticker or follow. I want to use sticker or follow. So go to sticker, then go to the search, type follow. I'm going to type follow. It's going to also bring subscribe. While you are doing all of these things, your data must be on, please. So now I'm going to bring it to the places where sticker should be, and then I'm going to now stretch it, because after some time I want people to take action. Don't forget that the algorithm works by you allowing people to engage your video. So I'm going to make follow button to come, because this video is going on TikTok, is going on YouTube, is going on Facebook. So I want people to follow me, and I also want people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It must always remind the people, even when you have gotten your monetization followers, you must always tell people to follow you the more. That is the call to action. If you not tell them what to do, they may just go away from your videos. Yes, always tell them to follow you for more. Please make sure you see it. When you are making this your own video, please make a video where you are telling people to follow for more, and make sure you put a smile. People always want to see your smile. They want to see your gesticulation. You can see I'm trying to smile there, and I want to put that video where I'm actually smiling. If you look at the other part of this video, I made my outro. Outro is when you are going out of the video. I made it very, very interesting. So people that take pain to watch your video to the very end, you put a smile on their face to say thank you for coming to the end of your video. Usually many people don't watch people's video to the end, including that of influencers. Not everybody watches video to the very end. So look at what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to actually move it to the different length I want it. This line, this vertical line that you see, can help you to know the size or the extent to which you want to put two captions, two stickers together, so that one will not outpass another one. So right now I want to bring in a new video. I've clicked the plus sign there and it's taking me here. You see that video that is 8 seconds? That is the one I want to bring. That's the one that I use for my outro rather. So right now, this is the video I made before. It has its own different captioning that I have done. So to my design, and to let you know that what I want to do, in this case, I just want it to have just two different captioning formats. The first one has its own captioning. You can see I have done it. It is less than 1 minute, so I've been able to do it. I've been able to do its own captioning. I did another one that has its own captioning. I'm now merging the two videos together. I hit the plus button there, and then I was able to add the new video to it. So, and then I'm trying to now adjust the caption I have made in the old short video, newly captioned, to the old caption video that I just added. I hope you understand that. Thank you so much for staying all through. Please make sure you still like this video, even if you are watching as a student of my class, or you're watching this video online on Facebook, on YouTube, anywhere. Please make sure you share this video also with your friends, and I'm going to be glad that you have done this. So this is how you can actually edit your video as a beginner using Inshot, and it is completely for free. My name is Farumi Samuel, and I teach people how to make money online and also monetize their channel. So right now, what I want to do now is to finish up this video and then try to export it. I'm going to try to export it once I see everything is okay. I'm trying to check the AI effect of the effect I put there and see what can I do to actually make it a little bit more interesting. We are the one that determines what people will do. So I'm going to pick multiple now. So I want, in the first few seconds, I want people to be able to see wow, or to see how, or to make something that will make them stay a little longer so that they won't drop off. Yes. So I've deleted the 4 that was there before, and then I'm going to make this now very, very short time. You don't have to make this type of effect to be long. Very short, and they may pause, they may go back, they may continue, but you have made an impact that they are watching your video for more time. When you have more watch time, the video will be distributed to more people when you are actually trying to post online, or you're growing your channel. Particularly, we are doing that organically. So right now I'm looking at all my effects to see everything plays out well, and that's what you must always do. Just like you are trying to write an exam, you must always check that everything you have done is okay before you go ahead and export. So right now I want to export, and I can export with 720, but the best is 1080. You can also export with 2K, but that's if you are using a very good phone. So right now I'm exporting, and they are showing me their funny advert again. I need to watch the advert because I can't go ahead without watching the advert. So the advert will be done right now. Once the advert is done, that's why you need to actually be online when you are using it. The data it consumes is very, very negligible. You don't have to worry about the data it will actually consume because you are getting it for free. Many of these apps require serious technology and experts to build them, and they have to pay them. So for them to keep on going, please watch their adverts. Now it will convert, and I'm going to export it. So it has converted right now. So let me save you of the worry. I'm going to pause this video and allow it to just complete. Once it's completed, I'm going to turn on the screen recorder again so that you can actually see what happened next. So right now it's done. It's done and I've edited it completely. So these are the steps you can use to edit your video. I'm going to see you later. I remain Farumi Sammy. Bye bye.